In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add backgrounds to a card.co website. By the end, you'll know how to switch between color, image, and video backgrounds and how to fine-tune the look so your site feels polished and intentional. Start by opening your site in the card editor. Once you're in, click anywhere on the canvas to make sure the page is selected. This activates the settings you need on the left panel. In that panel, look under Page Settings and choose Background. That's the control center for everything we're about to do. Next, under Type, decide what kind of background you want. If you choose color, you can go with a solid tone for a clean, minimal look, or pick a gradient to add depth and movement. Color backgrounds are great for fast loading and strong text contrast. If you're aiming for simplicity and readability, a solid color or a subtle gradient is often all you need. You can always come back and switch types as you test the design. If you want an image, select Image as the type and click Upload to add your file. After it loads, adjust the fit setting. Cover scales the image to fill the entire screen, cropping edges if necessary. It's ideal when you want a full bleed background without gaps. Contain makes sure the entire image is visible, which can leave space around the edges depending on the screen size. If you see borders with Contain and don't want them, switch back to Cover. Use Blur to soften distracting details so your text stands out, especially if your image is busy. Opacity lets you fade the image slightly, which can also improve readability and create a more refined feel. Turn on Fixed to create a parallax style effect, where the background stays put while the content scrolls. It adds subtle depth without extra elements. For best results, use high-quality images that aren't excessively large to balance sharpness and load speed, and always glance at your text after adjustments to ensure it remains easy to read. You can also choose video as the background type if you're on a pro plan. Video backgrounds work best when they're short, loop cleanly, and aren't overly bright or distracting. Keep them lightweight so your page loads smoothly, and consider how your text appears over motion. That's it. Open your site, select background, pick a type, color, image, or video, and fine-tune settings like fit, blur, opacity, and fixed to nail the look. Experiment a bit, trust your eye, and you'll have a background that complements your content beautifully.